He built a trading AI that made $1 million in 30 days. He wasn't a trader. He wasn't even from finance, but he had $1,000 and an idea. What if an AI could trade better than emotions? So he locked himself in his room for 2 weeks? No friends, no sleep. All he had was his computer and a dream. He spent his days studying charts, backtests, and code. He trained the AI to detect market structure, volume spikes, and gold liquidity sweeps. While others chased signals, he built systems. On day 5, his AI caught a sniper gold entry. On day 12, the BTC scalped with a clean exit. He was up to $8,700. On day 20, the bot stacked 3 perfect trades. No fear, no greed, just profit. On day 30, he crossed $1 million. There was no celebration, there was only focus. His AI didn't blink, it didn't hesitate. It just executed. This isn't luck. This is machine-level discipline. While others look for motivation, he built automation. This is the future of trading. This is the AI hustle. Do you have what it takes to build your own AI trading bot? Or will you just keep scrolling and hoping for a signal? The choice is yours. But don't complain about the market when you're too lazy to code. This is the last time I'm saying this. If you want to learn more about AI trading, stay tuned. Please hit like and subscribe us for more information.